Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we'll make a 3D model of M6 bolt in Solidworks software. So let's get started with today's modeling. Take new part, okay. Change the unit to millimeter. Take the front plane, sketch. Take a polygon command. Take number of sides as 6. Take a dimension of 10 and do it vertical. So the sketch is constrained. Now take feature, extrude. Take a length of 5 from mid plane. Okay. Now sketch on this face. Take a dia of 6 mm. Okay. Take an extrude of 25. Okay. Now take sketch on this face. Make a circle at these edges and give it a dimension of 10. Take extrude cut feature. Select flip side to cut and give a taper of 45 degree. Okay. This will make a chamfer on the edges. As we have made this profile with mid-plane extrusion. So select front plane, select mirror and select the feature to mirror as the cut. Okay. Now take thread feature. The thread feature is only applicable for the softwares which are of 2016 or above version. For below version I'll make a different video. So select this edge. Now take a blind of 24 mm. Take metric tab. Take a metric tab and give size of tab as M6 into 1. 1 will be the pitch of thread. Take extruded thread and okay. So the bolt is ready. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.